Hello students of Standard 5. We learned chapter 17, Shakuntala, part 5. We have seen in part 4 how she was waiting for her husband, but husband did not come. Dushyant had forgotten her as he had gone to his kingdom. But meanwhile, she found a guest who had come and she had not cared for him because she did not notice there was a guest at her door, and he was very much angry and he gave curse. Her father requested him to stop because Father Kanva knows that what is the situation of the daughter. So he said and pleaded to sage Durvasha that forgive her. And at last he felt pity for crying Shakuntala and he told, it's okay, you can meet your friend, your person, whoever. When you show him his any things, if you have any material you have from him, you can show him and he will get. And then she was very happy. Now we see, soon after this, one day as Shakuntala was bathing in a stream, the ring slipped off her finger and fell into the water. She did not even notice that the ring was missing. Early we know that there were not so many bathroom or something where they used to take bath in the river, in the stream. Shakuntala also had gone to take bath at the river. And when she was taking bath, when the ring slipped off, as she might have put soap, and while putting soap and washing herself, that ring slipped and got out of her finger, and it lost. But she did not notice. When it has gone, which day it has gone, she did not know. And till she went to the kingdom also, she did not notice that she has lost her ring. She took bath, she came back home, and she did not look for it because she did not know it is gone from her finger. When many days passed, without a word from Dushyanta, Shakuntala's father said to her, I think it is now time for you to join your husband. If he does not come here, you must go to him. Now father was watching daughter. He was noticing that how much she is troubled. So he said one day that you are worried too much. You are unable to be happy. So you can do, now you yourself go to king's house. You meet your husband because he has forgotten. He may be busy or he may not remember or he may be wanting to come but he will be not having time. We don't know what is problem. What can be done? So it is better you go to palace and meet your husband and see what is the situation, why he did not come. Poor father, he was so much worried with seeing the daughter was tensed and worried. So he said to her to go. Shakuntala left from the forest for Dusyanta's palace with a few residents of the hermitage. So when she went to palace, she was going, before leaving, she took some more people from the hermitage. After several days, she reached the royal city. Several days she walked. She did not have any vehicle, no horse, but she has to walk. So walking after so many days, she reached to the city, royal city. She found her way to the palace. The guards at gate refused to let her enter. They allowed her in when she said that she had a message for the king from Sage Kanva. So the guards were all near the palace they did not allow her to come in, because they are strictly told no strangers should come, and guards do not know that who is this girl. Even she was telling, they could not believe, because king's marriage means very publicly, and announcements and grand function should be there, so nobody knew king is married. So they could not believe. At last, thinking so much, requesting so much, could not help. Then she said, knows that her father, she knew that her father is very famous for the wisdom and all people like him. So she said, I have a message for king from sage Kanwa. So the guard allowed to go and meet. Shakuntala was taken before the king. She was very happy to see him, but there was no sign of recognition on his face. Now she was taken to the king to give the message. When she went, king was not able to recognize her, because that was the curse from Dushyanta. Curse from the, not Dushyanta, but the Durvasha. Sage Durvasha. So he was not able to recognize her face. Who are you? The king asked. Shakuntala was shocked. Now Shakuntala was very happy to see the king, and she went to him, but he was not able to recognize her. He asked her, who are you? And that was a very painful situation for her. She could not accept. How can her husband ask her, who are you? It is a real tragedy for a lady if her husband doesn't recognize. And here this situation has come. King is unable to recognize her. And it is a shock. So many days she has been walking. And coming to the last point where she should get her fulfillment, there she gets zero. The king doesn't recognize, and she is very shocked. It is very painful for her. So with this pain, she is just there. She tries to tell him several things, and he refused, that I am not married. I am a king. How can I forget my wife? But she did not think. Then she realizes that it is the curse of Durvasha, sage Durvasha. Okay, children, if you have any doubt, you can call over phone, or you can message me on my WhatsApp. Any doubt is there? Clear? Okay.